Hello my friends, my name is Yuri, I'm in Dubai, and this lesson for freshers, I will show you what you should do for a start to start your trading career properly. Let's go. As a fresher, you need to understand that there are a lot of things which you don't know in trading, especially about risk management and about places where someone can scam you. First, what you need to learn is about risk, because if be honest, for some people you don't need to trade because there are a lot of risk. You need to understand as statistics that 77% in all big American brokers lose money. And how you can beat statistic? You need to understand that without good knowledge, without mastering that knowledge, you will lose money. That's why I totally recommend you to start from education. Good education first is about risks, After that, you need to learn strategy, which based on big players' behavior. And if be honest, we have such strategy, and link on such strategy you can find below this video on YouTube and learn more about our approach. And after that, you can master it on real account. After education, when you got good education, what you need to do? You need to start from small money. Why it's important to start your trading career from small money, but not like 100,000 USD or more. I saw many examples when traders wrote to me from TradingView and asked for help. Like I remember 6 weeks ago, Muhammad wrote to me, and he had a loss of 130,000 of USD because he didn't took education. He just tried to trade for himself, and he want to to turn his 100k into 1 million. But eventually he blew out everything, and he had a lot of stress, and I don't know does he recover it or not. That could be a price of such mistakes which you can do. That's why first, do not hurry up. First, learn strategy, practice it on a small money. Many sellers from different fields will try to sell you like huge stock, blue chips which cost a lot, will try to sell you trade stocks or other expensive market. As a fresher, you need to find the most cheapest market where you can get your education, where you don't need to pay a lot of money. Because for example, for stock trading, there are some platforms where you will pay 200 USD per month only to use platform and to see charts. And there could be other brokers where you can use it for free. That's why you also need to learn about fees and about starting point. When you got good education, when you trade on a small money, you need to test your system for at least 3 months, better 1 year, and only after that, when you test your system and everything is good, you need to start promote yourself. When you see that your result is good, you show your strategy to other people, and believe me, you will find good investors. Where you can show yourself? You can show yourself on TradingView, where I do. You can find me Yuri BiKo, top trading you offer. Also, you can do the same, like post your ideas. You can do it through LinkedIn. You can share your signals on MQA5 and MyFXbook. And when you will have good strategy, good statistic, people will come to you and you will get good investors. Start from education. That's the key in trading. And when you will get good education, you will be able to trade and go to Dubai like we did already. And we are from Kyiv originally, but currently we in the middle of winter we are in Dubai, and you see we record this video here. You also will be able to do the same stuff, travel the world, when you will start your career properly. Friends, if you think this lesson is useful for you right now, push like, write a comment below about your start, how did you start your trading career, your trading path. Also share it with your friends. You will find in comment a link on our trading course, and have a good trading, have a good start. Let's go.